Whether you're jetting off to a new country, backpacking through mountains, or just capturing memories on the go, this video's for you. We've rounded up the top 5 travel cameras of 2025, from pocket-sized powerhouses to full-frame, mirrorless beasts, all tested for portability, image quality, and video performance, based on expert reviews and trusted sources. Want to check them out? All the product links and details are down in the description. And just so you know, those are Amazon affiliate links, so if you grab one, it helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. Alright, let's get into it and find the perfect travel camera for your next adventure in 2025. Number 5. Ricoh GR3 Digital Compact Camera. If you want DSLR-level image quality in something that literally fits in your pocket, the Ricoh GR3 is gonna blow your mind. This little beast packs a 24MP APS-C CMOS sensor, a fast 28mm f/2.8 lens, and a slick 3-inch touchscreen. It's made for travel and street shooters who want to stay low-key, but still snap tack-sharp shots, even in low light, thanks to its 3-axis four-stop image stabilization. It's got a hybrid autofocus system, so it locks onto your subject quickly and accurately. And while it doesn't shoot in 4K, it does solid full HD video at 60 frames per second. You can also transfer photos wirelessly using the built-in Wi-Fi and even remote control it with your phone. Oh, and here's something unique. The Highlight Diffusion Filter, HDF. Right now, the Ricoh GR3 is priced at around $1,300 on Amazon. Pros: pocket-sized, ultra-portable, big APS-C sensor for stunning image quality, unique HDF mode for artistic looks, sharp lens with fast f/2.8 aperture. Cons: fixed screen, no tilt or flip. Tech is aging, especially for video. This camera is perfect for travel photographers, street shooters, and everyday creatives who want pro-quality images without lugging a huge camera. Number 4. DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Best Video Camera. If you want pro-quality video in your pocket, check out the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. It features a large 1-inch CMOS sensor and shoots 4K at 120 frames per second, perfect for cinematic slow-mo and low-light scenes. The 3-axis gimbal keeps your shots super smooth, even when you're on the move. The rotating 2-inch touchscreen makes framing easy in both horizontal and vertical modes. With Active Track 6.0, the camera follows your face or subject while you vlog, dance, or walk. It also supports 10-bit D-Log-M color, giving you cinematic footage ready for editing. Sound covered. You get stereo mics and a DJI wireless mic for crisp, clear audio. It's lightweight, portable, and includes a battery grip, mini tripod, and more, all in the Creator Combo. Just note, it's not waterproof, so handle with care. It's priced around $978 on Amazon, a solid pick for serious vloggers. Pros: big 1-inch sensor, 4K per 120 frames per second plus 3-axis gimbal, crisp audio with wireless mic, compact and long battery life. Cons: not waterproof, pricier than the Pocket 2. Best for vloggers, travel creators, and content makers who want smooth, cinematic footage in a compact setup. Number 3. SSE Fujifilm X106 Digital Camera. The Fujifilm X106 is a compact camera with serious power, perfect for travel and street photography. It features a 40.2MP APS-C sensor with 6-stop in-body stabilization, a sharp 23mm f/2 lens, and 425-point hybrid autofocus for fast, precise shots. You get a tilting touchscreen, a unique hybrid viewfinder, optical plus OLED EVF, and Fujifilm's 20 film simulations, including the new Reala ACE for that cinematic, film-like look. The camera also includes built-in ND filter, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, and comes in a 12-piece bundle with a 64GB SD card, extra battery, grip tripod, gadget bag, and more. It's lightweight, beautifully designed, and built with magnesium and aluminum, though full weather sealing requires extra accessories. Right now, the full bundle goes for $2,319 on Amazon. Pros: 40MP sensor with stabilization, retro design with hybrid viewfinder, film simulations with Reala AC, full travel-ready accessory kit. Cons: not fully weather-sealed out of the box, often backordered due to high demand. Photographers, travelers, vloggers, and anyone who wants premium image quality in a compact, stylish camera. Number 2. Nikon Z6 III Mirrorless Stills/Video Camera. If you're after a camera that's equally powerful for both photos and video, the Nikon Z6 III is an absolute beast. You get a 24.5 MP full-frame sensor with a unique partially stacked design, giving you blazing fast bursts shooting up to 60 frames per second and stunning 6K/60p internal RAW video recording, all right in camera. It's packed with pro video features like oversampled 4K at 120 frames per second, Full HD at 240 frames per second slow motion, and a new MP4 Lite format for faster, smaller files. Plus, you get high-res zoom and built-in professional audio monitoring tools. Autofocus. Top tier. It's 20% faster than the Z6 II, detects faces even when they're tiny, in-frame, and nails focus even in super low light, thanks to deep learning subject recognition. The EVF is best in class, bright at 4000 nits, incredibly sharp at 5.76 million dots, and ultra-smooth with a 120 Hz refresh rate. And the 3.2-inch vari-angle screen is perfect for tricky angles or vlogging. Right now, the Z6 III body is priced at $2,196 on Amazon. Pros: superb 6K and 4K video specs, fast 60 frames per second burst shooting, next-gen autofocus with deep learning, industry-best EVF. Cons: no resolution upgrade over Z6 II, no battery charger in the box. Hybrid creators, pro videographers, event shooters, and fast action photographers who want premium photo and video performance without the Z8 price tag. Number 1. Sony α7C II Interchangeable Lens Camera. If you want the best mix of size, power, and pro-quality performance, meet the Sony α7C II, the ultimate all-in-one camera for creators in 2025. It's got a 33MP full-frame sensor, powered by the latest Bion's XR processor, delivering stunning detail, rich colors, and excellent low-light shots, all in a body smaller than most crop sensor cameras. You get 5-axis in-body stabilization, 4K 10-bit 4:2:2 video at 60p, and a dedicated AI processor for insanely accurate autofocus and subject tracking, whether you're shooting fast action, portraits, or vlog-style content. Despite its compact size, it's built tough with magnesium alloy and includes dust and splash resistance, making it reliable for travel or outdoor shoots. The Sony A7C II is currently priced at $2,398 on Amazon. Pros: compact body with full-frame sensor, best-in-class autofocus with AI tracking, 4K 10-bit video up to 60 FPS, long battery life plus 5-axis stabilization. Cons: single card slot, small viewfinder, best for travelers, hybrid content creators, vloggers, and pros who want top-tier quality without carrying a bulky setup. If you want one camera that does it all, this is it. Here's a quick comparison table of all 5 travel and hybrid cameras we covered, so you can pause and pick the one that fits your shooting style, travel needs, and creative goals best. If you're mostly focused on street photography and want something ultra-pocketable, the Ricoh GR3 is a great pick, but it's limited for video and lacks modern features. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is ideal for vloggers and content creators who need smooth, stabilized 4K footage in a super compact form, but it's not built for serious still photography. The Fujifilm X106 is perfect for travel and everyday shooting, with gorgeous film-like colors and a stylish design, but it doesn't offer interchangeable lenses or 4K 60 video. The Nikon Z6 III is your go-to if you're a hybrid shooter who wants pro-level 6K video, fast burst shooting, and reliable autofocus. It's powerful, though a bit bulky for travel. And topping the list, the Sony α7C II gives you the best of everything: full-frame quality, 4K 60 video, pro-level autofocus, and all in a compact, travel-friendly body. Hope this helped you find the perfect RFID blocking wallet to keep your travels safer in 2025. All the wallets we covered are linked below, so feel free to check them out. If this video helped you out, drop a like and hit subscribe for more no-fluff travel gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.